Hello， 各位观众朋友们，大家好，我是 Nftd 的 Smile， 你们正在收看的是 Smile 频道。好，我们今天的主题是死亡复甦3 ，Yeah。废话不多说了 ，Let's go。剧情模式，新游戏，单人游戏。直接来了，直接来了。有什么问题直接留言就好了。我聊天室我放在旁边了，我可以马上就看得到了。先看个动画吧。我滑个手机。原本是1点要开啦，我提早1个小时啊，没办法啊，不然我这段时间好无聊，所以就先提早开一台了。游戏声音会太小吗？影片声音。
I gotta find a way out of this city. We're all gonna die. Shit. I wonder if anybody's in there.
汽车维修员。还要更多。 铲子2×4，会那个什么都要跟我讲。 我靠呀！大厨料理刀，哦呦！哎，都快坏了。还没有死哎！我靠！我靠！斧头。排气管。
What the hell?
Shit.
No way out. They bombed it shut. Shit. Gotta get back to the diner.
Oh shit!
Oh god. No, holy crap, man.
No, holy god, man! 哦，蛋撞到，疼啊！
Oh
卡普空。Holy shit! Oh.
We gotta get back to the others.
Ah, 不要打，打不完。但是队友。靠背，队友死掉了。Dan Feed no。哎，卡条卡住了。我来了，当肯。没有气了。能量饮料。扫把。冲啊！电钻，电钻一级。哎，哪里啊？哦呦！电钻大哥。我们的。
Jesus Christ, what the hell was that? Like we don't have enough problems already.
You okay, Nick?
Hi, Annie.
Thought you guys
Annie?
were goners. You find anything? Maybe some
妹子
food or a gun?
Found this out there.
阴森妹子，
Might be useful.
大榔头。
I gotta get out of here, man.
You got a family to get back to? Parents?
Don't have any.
'Cause 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 neither.
Yeah, sometimes you're better off that way.
Is that your last dose? We're almost out of everything.
You know, if you're kind and just got Zombrex chipped like responsible citizens, we might not be in this mess.
Those people are tracked by GPS. They're prisoners.
They're following the law. Those GPS chips have Zombrex in them. They keep
Zombrex.
people from turning zombie.
Oh, really? Must not have worked too well. Look outside.
You illegals are nothing but trouble. Will you bitches shut up? They're gonna hear us.
No, why don't you calm the hell down, asshole? As long
Asshole.
as we're outside, we got nothing to worry about.
哦，
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Oh, no! I don't want to die.
I don't want to die.
Mother, it'll be all right.
Mother, mother, mother.
I'm not gonna let anything happen to you.
Peter, I'm so scared.
Oh my God! Look at that one. It's like it knows something about when it was alive.
We are all going to die.
白痴。
God!
怎么都长一样？哎呦 ，Jesus！
Okay, everybody, get
哦
ready to，run.
刺青，
I mean, where the hell we
刺
gonna
青
go?
大姐。
My garage in Ingleton. The walls are thick. It'll buy us some time to think. Maybe the TV will work.
If we have to get out of here, that's fine, but I'm not going to any garage. People are waiting for me.
Girlie, you're better off with us.
I'll take my chances.
Nick, those zombies are gonna get in here any second. We gotta do something.
There's nothing to fight them off with.
You're good at fixing things. There's a lot of stuff around here.
Let me see if I can put something together.
哼，榔头。合并2把武器。巨锤。
Maybe with that cement saw.
They look like they're getting hungrier. Hurry up and make some.
僵尸无双开始了。哎，打不到。
Gotta lead to the back door. There's gotta be less zombies back there.
调一下好。哎，按错了，不是这个。好吧，应该是不用调。哎，走错。你们需要一把武器。然后打到自己人不会扣血。
Got company. I gotta kick your ass now.
Ah, that was a good one.
That's cool, man.
It's cool, man.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. 大妈，大姐，
That work?
About time, hon.
这武器应该是耐久度也很低了。先跑再说。
Oh my God. My bad is right where?
走走走走走。
Gotta lower that barrier.
罗曼达的修车厂。 上车，上车，上车！哇靠！冲啊！哎，油桶！哇塞！刚后面荡掉，甩尾，这么帅，甩尾，怎么这么慢呢？下车，下车，怎么下车？哎！我的跳跃能力好差哦，好现实的跳跃能力啊！哎，我需要坏了，我救到他了吗？还没，先拿这个好了。滚开！嗯，救到了，来，一起上车吧。又一个，哎，妹子，这一定要救。消防斧拿下来，从他身上拔出来。还没杀死，还没杀完。I owe you my life。靠背。哎，靠腰。快到了吧？走啊，罗曼达！好了，冲啊，冲！那种 shoot， 扛错 ，shoot， 2乘4，我不要2乘4，这个吗？有附张蓝图，又可以玩组合了。Army？ 哦哟，员工。哦，这大姐几岁啊？感觉身材还不错哎。
Those are supposed to dose infected people with Zombrex, keep them from turning. And if they do turn, it's supposed to track them. I mean, isn't that the whole point?
All clear.
God, this wasn't supposed to happen.
None of this was supposed to happen.
We need some news. We need to find out what's going on.
后面还有打广告，还踹。You don't want to trip in？ 没看到。 Damn it!
Fritz again. I'm gonna have to mess with those wires. Probably gonna take me a couple hours, Nick. You might want to see if you can find anything out there. But be careful.
Be careful. It's okay. It's okay. 哎呦！我靠！
Hey, hey! Wait! Hello? Hello, please? Can you help? We're trapped in a...
Well, Matt, I can see your mouth moving, but I ain't hearing nothing.
ZDC.
I can't hear you, man. Your mic is busted, dang it.
I can hear you. You can see me, right? Can you help? Are you a cop?
Am I a cop? Oh, that is a good one, man. I am a professional...
专业公共卫生管理。
technician. Yeah, no, I just ran when that shit hit the fan, man. I holed up in some surveillance room. That zombie civil defense shit, the ZDC. Yeah, found a body prop in the door open, so locked my ass in here straight up. Name's Jamie Flint.
Jamie Flint.